Hello, good. Today is good Shenher how to integrate our bracelet app in the iPhone. Health application, as you know, the health application is here that takes us all the control of our health. Well, if we want to activate the integration, we will have to go to the good one application. Once we are in the application, we will go further down to the right. Now slide down until we find the application settings menu. Now we will click on integrations. How the first option goes, the Apple Health application no longer appears. We will click on it, and now we will continue these steps. We will go to the health application. We will go to our profile at the top right, and now we will go to applications. As you see, the WhatsApp application no longer appears. We will click on it and now click on activate everything. Once the call is activated, we will go back, and once we are here, we will click on devices. Here, as you can see, our bracelet no longer appears. Good. We will click on it and click on update health data. In this way, our application will begin to send all the information automatically to the health application. The integration of good in the Apple Health application. This is all. If you have any questions about the bracelet, leave it in the comments. In the link in the description, I have left you a discount to have a website to be able to purchase the good platform and the bracelet app totally free month. So nothing. This is all. See you later. Thank you very much.